Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change thumbsticks sensitivity. To adjust thumbstick sensitivity, let's go to RAZER Raiju app and go to thumbsticks. You can adjust sensitivity on this slider between 15% and 0. Setting 0 deadzone will register every movement so you can play like a pro, but will also register unintended inputs, which can appear like stick drift. It is highly advisable to recalibrate the thumbstick once the deadzone has been modified. Take a look right here. Slightly, barely seen movement is located on the graph. And here's the difference. You can do it for left and right thumbstick. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.